Man, this quadratic stuff is really tough.
I know, right? How are you supposed to solve x is equal to negative b?
What even is that?
Like, it's called this quadratic something.
Don't worry, guys. We got you.
Yeah, I know algebra can be pretty tough. So we made up this rap to show you some stuff.
We're gonna teach you all about quadratics through the power of some mathematics. Yeah, quadratics you can solve in so many ways, so many equations they could go on for days.
So here, let us break it down.
So first, let's take you to Graphing Town.
Graphing Town?
First way you can solve is via a graph. One of the many ways you can in math.
So here, let's say this is our equation. Find the axis of symmetry as you do for every occasion.
To do that, plug in a negative b over to a. Trust me, you want to do what I say.
In this case, the negative b will be a 4 and the a a 1. Now see, this is where it's going to start to get fun. Now just solve. Oh, look, it's a 2. Now draw the axis of symmetry in an orange hue.
Now that we have that, it's time for the vertex. We know it's on the line of symmetry, so now time for the red.
We know we're on the x, but we're on the y.
Let's plug 2 into our equation, solve it, it's up.
2, -1 is our vertex. Are you ready to see what comes next?
See, this 3 will intersect on the y. Make sure you flip it to the other side.
But wait, where does it intersect on the x?
Maybe we should try to plug in a 1.
Yeah, that's definitely for the best.
Time to solve, and we got a 0.
Flip it over and we got our solutions.
Yeah, 1 and 3 are the answers.
Hold on, pause and take a look at these dancers.
Quadratics, mathematics, quadratics, mathematics.
Now we'll teach you how to solve by factoring because we don't want to leave you floundering.
So let's start with this equation. It has to equal 0 or it won't be amazing. To do that, we add the 21. So this here is what we got.
Yeah, 36 is the sum. Next, we gotta split it up into 2.
But what goes here and what goes there?
It's got to add to 13 and multiply to 36. -9 and -4 are the right fix.
But what fits to make it equal 0?
9 and 4 are the correct solutions, you know.
Quadratics, mathematics, quadratics, mathematics.
Now for a new way by completing the square, start by isolating the variables by adding 15.
Put x squared minus 2x by itself in quarantine.
Next, we're going to add a b over 2 squared to both sides. In this case, when you plug it in, it's a
1.
Now you take this first part and you factor it. The parts will both be the same, so just square it.
The 16 too. It's got to be the same on both sides.
Yeah, true.
Time for a square root, so you get x minus 1 equals plus or minus 4. Now just solve. There's only a little more.
The solution is a -3 and a 5. Solving quadratics makes me feel so alive.
Quadratics, mathematics, quadratics, mathematics.
Now we are on our very last one.
The quadratic equation can be very fun.
All you have to do is plug the numbers and solve the equation, which is x is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Then plug in this equation to that.
Just solve and then
There's that. But wait, don't forget there are 2 answers.
You gotta solve once with a plus and once with a minus.
Then your answer should be this.
Now you know how to solve quadratics.
Yeah, you got this.
Quadratics, mathematics, quadratics, mathematics.
Quadratics!
Wow, we really know how to solve quadratics now.
You're welcome.